Hello guys, so today like I said I will show you how you can make money with Binance. So if you want to make money with Binance and you have been thinking about what you need to do, what is Binance and what are they doing, so I'm going to break down what Binance is. Let us go to Wikipedia before we register on Binance and start making money with it. Let me just quickly show you in seconds what Binance is. If you come to Wikipedia here where I search for what is Binance, as you can see Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange which is the largest exchange in the world terms of daily trading in volume of cryptocurrencies. It was founded in 2017 and is registered in the Cayman, which is Cayman Island. I think that is China. And if you come here, you see Binance was founded by a Change Penge. This is the name of the guy that owns Binance, and as you can see, a developer who was previously created high frequency trading software. Binance was initially based in China, but later moved its headquarters out of China following the China government increasing regulation of cryptocurrency. In 2021, Binance was put out in investigation by the United States Department of Justice and Internal Revenue Service on allegation of money laundering and tax offense. The UK Financial Conduct Authority ordered Binance to stop all regulated activity in United Kingdom in June 2021. So you can see that for what I've just read here, I don't want to talk a lot about it, just to tell you that Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange company. So it's a company that exchange cryptocurrency, let me say like Bitcoin, Ethereum, DIA and other cryptocurrency. So let us dive in back into Binance so that you can register. So to register, for you to start making money with Binance, first thing what you have to do is to scroll down here. Just scroll down for the bottom here, how to register on Binance. It's very simple. What they require from you is sign up now to build your own portfolio for free. Get started. If I click on get started, it takes us to where we are going to sign up. But if you scroll down here, so what do you need to have your own account on Binance? You can see build your crypto portfolio, start your first trade with those steps. Easy step. So what you have to do, first thing, to create your account on Binance, you need your ID. You need to verify your account. Verifying your account, Binance is going to take a selfie of you and they are going to need your identity. They are going to need your ID, let me say passport or national ID, to be able to verify your own account. So let me say you have your own account, you have verified your own account. That is it. Congratulations if you have done that. Then what you have to do here, you need to fund your account. Add money, at least $50 to $100 into your Binance account to start using it to make money. And the next thing is to start trading. And you can start buying and selling. You know, when price of cryptocurrency goes down, you can buy. When it goes up, you can quickly sell it into your portfolio, into your wallet. So that is how it works. It's very, very simple. And before I show you other things like the sign up process, what you have to do, what I want to say is that before you use any cryptocurrency platform, what you need to do your proper research to see if it's something you need to engage yourself into. You know, you don't just want to sign up because I said this, oh, is a good place to make money, blah, 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 blah. No, do your proper research to see if it's something you want to start using to make free money online. So I want to say that there is no free money online. Yes, people can say make free money online, like I just said, but there is no free money online. Anything you do online, you have invested your time and effort. That is why money comes out. So money don't just comes out. There's no free money online. So you have to understand this. That word free money, there's no free money online. All you have to do, you can do a work that can be paying you passive income, like a recurring website that will pay you money anytime you send people. So that is what I just want to talk about this session. Do your proper research before you get into any cryptocurrency platform. So the first thing, what you need to do, click on sign up here. So once you click on sign up with email, it's going to open up this page here. So it's going to open up this page here. What you have to do here is to enter. You can register with your phone number or your email. So here, enter your email, enter your password. Accept that you are more than 80 years old. Here you can click here if you have anyone that refer you. So you can use my referral code that will pop up right now, or you can click the first link in the description to get to this page. You just take you directly to this page, and you are going to get $10. You are going to get $10 for using my referral code. So that is what I need to say about it. So once you have done that, click on create a personal account, and your account will be created. Binance is going to send you an email. So once they send you this email, you are going to click on this email and click on verify. Then your account will be verified. The next thing you have to do is to go and log into your account and follow the process of here. You are going to enter your passport or your national ID, and you can take a survey of you, and Binance will tell you to upload the proof of your address, maybe your billing, the payment, the last payment of your last transaction from your bank, or you can use your house address document. Just use your house address, the last payment you made on your house address, take the picture and send it to Binance, and they will verify your account within 24 hours. So let us see now, like, congratulations, your account will be verified. Let us move to the step where you are going to start making money with Binance. So what I'm going to do here, I will click on Binance. It will take us to Binance homepage here. So once it takes us back to Binance homepage, what I need to do is to log in my own account. So to log in my own account, all I just need to do here is to click on this section where it says login at the top here. I'll click on login. So when I click on login here, it's going to pop up this page, and you will see that it's going to show a code here. So once it take you here, you can see it will say login with your email or phone number. So I'm going to log in with this QR code. So I'm going to log in with this QR code. So I'm going to just scan it from my smartphone because I've already logged in on Binance from my smartphone. I will just put my phone, face my phone on it, and I will authorize it from my phone here. I'm just doing everything here. You cannot see this from the screen. So you can see now it's telling me logging in. So that is how I used to log in on my own account. I use that QR code. I scan it through my Binance account from my smartphone, and automatically it will log me into my own account. So now it's logging me into my own account. Then the next step, I'm going to show you how you can make money with Binance. So guys, to start making money with Binance, you need to follow my footstep on this session. So what you have to do, click on Earn. So once you click on Earn, you will see a bunch of other ways that you can use to make money here, but we are going to focus on one that is very simple. So click on it back again. You can see Binance, you can see Simple Earn, you can see BNB, you can see Liquidate, Femin, you can see Binance Pool, and so on and so on and so on. So the one we are going to use today is this one here. We are going to go back again to Earn. We'll click on this section where you say Binance Earn. Click on Binance Earn and wait for it to open properly. So once it opens here, you can see, make sure you put it at protected. Make sure it's on protected. I'll explain protected before I explain this high yield. So you can see say principal protected. You can see it say the same number of tokens deposited to saving and staking will be returned to you along with the yield paid out in the same type of token. See our terms and conditions and FAQ for more details. But you don't need to do that. That's why you are watching this video. So what you need to do here, I want you to make sure your coin is on best for beginners, because you are beginners. You just started on Binance. You just want to start making money with it. Let me say, for example, you want to make money, like you want to do long-term earnings. You want to make money for long. So the strategy we are trying to do here is taking, like, we put our money in Coinbase, like $100. And how Coinbase is dealing with this is that they will loan our money out. Depend on the duration we set. The duration, you can see here that this coin, which is AXS, is going to pay us 65% for 90 days duration of putting our money on this AXS platform. They will give us the annual percentage yield. You can see, which is 65%. And how long our $100 will spend on this platform before we can withdraw it is 90 days, which is the duration. So that is how it works. It's very simple. And you can see Near is doing 120 days, and they are going to pay us 30.45% for 129 days. Our yearly percentage is 30.49%. So that is how much you can earn from Neo, and it keeps on going, and so on and so on and so on. When you keep on scrolling, you will see other coin that you can invest to. So that is how they work. And if I click on, you can see which is on the popular session. You can see on the popular session. But if I click on best for beginners, when I click on best for beginners here, you will see that you will be able to withdraw your money every single day. Like you invest your money every single day, you'll be making money. So that is how it works. You can see this BUSD coin. If you come here, you will see how much you'll be making per year, which is 8% per year. You can see USDT coin, which is you will make 8% per year too. You can see Bitcoin, you will make 5% per year. And as you can see, the duration of all of them here, this session, which is best for beginners session, you will see that it's flexible. Flexible means that every single day you are going to be making some money. So that is how it works. You are going to be making free cash every single day. Let us say, for example, we want to invest on USDT. Why I prefer USDT is that USDT coin doesn't come down. So make sure you invest in a coin that you know that don't used to drop. Make sure you do your proper research before you invest in any currency that you want to invest in. That is the advice I want to say here. You will get your money back, but depending on the currency that is depending on the currency. Let me say if the currency is dropping up and down, you don't need to go and invest your money in this type of currency. There is always risk, even when they say there is no risk. I want you to understand this. It's cryptocurrency. So you need to understand that there can be a danger in any business. They can tell you that it's guaranteed there is no problem, but there is always problem. Know this. So let me cancel this that is showing at the top here. So let me say we want to invest. I recommend USDT. I don't want you to do this, but I recommend USDT. If you ask me what do I recommend for you to invest on, I will recommend USDT because the coin doesn't fall. It's just like $1. Why I like it is because USDT is just like $1. It's $1. It doesn't go up, doesn't come down. It just stay in the same way. $1. That is just it. So if I click on, let me say I want to invest in USDT now. I will click on this section where it says subscribe. So once I click on it, it will take us to another new tab here. So what we are going to do is to be patient and wait for the pop-up to come up, and we are going to fill up our payment and everything, and boom, they will tell us that okay, you have filled up all your information. As you can see, it just pop up. So you can see say subscribe USDT, and you can see the flexible. So what we need, let us say we want to enter 100 USDT. We'll just enter 100 USDT, which is $100, and we'll see how much. We'll see the minimum amount we can enter, which is a minimum amount, which is almost one cent. That's how much we can invest, and you can see available quotes, which is 200,000 USDT. And what you need to do, you can put it in auto. You say the available balance in your spot wallet will be used daily at 2 o'clock, and masha you keep on going here. And once you come here, you are going to see how much you are going to earn per day. So this is how much you'll be earning per day, which is 219 and 178 USDT per day. You can see per day, and that is how much you'll be making. Once you are okay with it, you click on confirm. I agree to the terms and conditions of Binance Simple N, and you click on confirm, and the money will be confirmed every single day. You can be repeating this thing every single day, and you see passive income coming into your Bitcoin or Coinbase Binance account. You see passive income coming into your Binance wallet. So that is how you can make money with this method. I hope you get the understanding of it. So let us go back again. Let us say, for example, we want to invest in the popular coin here. The popular coin, you can remember, it works in the same way. So you can click on popular coin here, and it will load up. It will show you the duration. Here you are going to choose the currency you want to invest in. Let me say we want to invest on this coin, which is this AXS. Once you click on that, we are going to be earning 65% for 90 days. Click on subscribe. So if I click on subscribe here, it will pop up just like we did on the other flexible method, which is you are going to be making daily. But this one, you are not going to be making money every single day. You are going to be making money every 90 days. You can see if I click on flexible here, it will not work. You can see it will not work. It say you don't have enough balance. Let me say I want to do flexible on this ASS. I can click on it here, which is daily method. I can just click here, enter like $100 here, and I will click on maybe flexible, or I can say 30 days, or I can say like 60 days. And once I click on that, if I click on flexible now, you will see that it's not available. Flexible is not available. But if it's available, this auto will be, it will show subscribe. If I click on 30 days now, you see auto is showing now. Then what I need to do, I will enter, let me say $100, 100 AXS. I'll click on like 100 AS. And what I need to do here is to come to this section here, accept the terms and condition, and scroll down. You can see how much I will make in 30 days. This is how much I will make in 30 days. And if I click here, let me say I want to be making the 65%, which is the 90 days. I will earn 65% for 90 days for entering my 100 AXS. So here now, this is how much I will earn for 90 days. And so once I scroll down here, I have to accept the terms and condition and click on confirm, and the money will be locked. The money will be locked. So once when the money is locked, you cannot withdraw this money until 90 days. I just want you to understand this. And if you, let me say you decide to go and cancel it, you will not get your interest back. That is what I want you to understand. So it's very simple to understand. So that is it, guys. I hope that you enjoy this video, and I hope that you understand what I'm trying to say, how you can earn money with Binance. So that is it, guys. And let us talk about the high yield. The high yield, why I say that you should not use it, there is a risk on the high yield. You can lose your money when you are using the high yield. You can see, let me read it out so that you can understand. It says the high yield protect potential reward. It says an opportunity to receive a high than average gain, but with a corresponding risk to your invested cryptocurrency. Only invest what you can afford to risk, regardless of how high the potential rate of return. So you need to, they are even saying that be careful, because there's something is going to happen. So you just need to be careful before you invest on this, using this method, which is on the high yield. So just stick with this one. More you see that you are becoming advanced, you understand how the market is going, and so on and so on, you can move to the high yield and invest on the high yield. So that is what I want to talk about, guys. I will say thank you very much. And again, don't forget again to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel that you are watching right now. And again, don't forget to watch this video to learn how you can make money with Coinbase. It will pop up right now. Check it out. And again, don't forget, like that button and subscribe. Share my video, share, like, and leave me a comment in the comment section below. I want to hear what you think about this video. Thank you, and see you on my next video.